So, welcome to another Closure Diary video. So, I'm just happy to announce that AI has helped me in this project called Kanikpan. So, Kanikpan is just a command line calculator, right? So, and you can install it like this, okay, right? And yeah, and then you can just start it something like, uh, yeah, like let me just key in Ikani, right? So that's it. And yeah, it does some basic stuff well. Maybe, yeah, if you just want to calculate a compound interest of 10% for, sorry, 8% for 10 years, for $1,000, you can give something like this one and it should work, right? So, and it in fact doubles, right? So it's good in that way, right? So, yeah. I'm telling about compound interest, not about my calculator. When I say it's good, okay, right? So that's the thing. And I just had some problem. Like I was unable to do any regular expressions for functions or something like that. Right. So, and so yeah, like it never solved. And look, it just removed this braces and it never identified the sign 45 and all those stuff. But then I somehow AI identified that stuff. Okay. So, and yeah, thanks to AI, right? So, and okay, yeah. So I think, yeah, this is the stuff, okay, right, which AI identified. Okay, so and let me just, yeah. So the top red one is the thing which I wrote before I could have access to anti-gravity or Kiro or some kind of editors like that. And the bottom stuff is the one that's been written by AI. And it works really well. Okay, so but yeah, I just want to show where it goes and all those stuff. Okay, so you have this function regular expression, and it kind of goes to a thing called tokenized functions. Okay, okay, right. Where is it? I think it's there in tokenize dot CLG, right? So yeah, right. And let me just load it into Ripple, right? And then and yeah, and if I just give like tokenize function, right? And then if I just give like, okay, like sine 45, right? So, and it gives me sine 45. This is the stuff that needs to be replaced. This is the function name and this is the function arguments. Okay. So maybe, yeah, like I can just give something like, okay, like 5 star sine 45, right? And yeah, like it still gives, yeah, because this is the first thing that needs to be evaluated and replaced. Okay, so maybe yeah, I can then give something like, okay, like okay, yeah, let me just give something like, okay, like, yeah, simple interest or compound interest, $1,000 for at 8%. Okay, and then for what to say, like, what to say, like for 10 years, right? So, and then I'm just getting it. So I'm just getting the arguments with comma separated values, and this I'm just getting the function name, and I'm also getting what needs to be replaced. Okay. So with these two, like this last two stuff, okay, I can just find out what function, right? And I can just split this arguments and what to say and calculate. I know what to calculate with this name, and then yeah, then finally this can be evaluated. So thanks to what to say whoever is doing AI, but yeah, I also need to thank humanity because all people who are doing AI are just essentially copying stuff what humans have done, and they are profiting from it. Okay, without giving, I don't think they give the due credit, but yeah. So yeah, even if I get kind of free AI for some time, I'm just getting what I gave back to the world, right? So yeah, so no, thank you, but yeah, still thanks. Okay, so I mean, like, I don't really thank the AI creators, but yeah, like, anyway, thanks. Okay, right. So that's that, right? So this is how it works. Okay, so like I just traced the path what I did. Look, I wrote this program a while ago, so I just traced the path and it just goes, okay, take for this tokenized assignment. Okay, so and this one, okay, this tokenized assignment, okay, tokenized assignment, right? And it just goes to somewhere, right? Okay, like let me just put like e is equal to 6 or something like that, right? So and you just get what to be replaced, what's the variable, and then what's at the right side. Okay, so that's the thing, right? And this goes to a thing called I've just yeah, assignment, regular expression that goes to tokenized assignment and needs assignment simplification. Okay, so and okay, right. So I'll just needs assignment simplification, right? So this is where it just goes, okay, right? And this is in a function, this is in a file called needs simplification, right? So what this does is, okay, right? Um, mm, okay, right. The assignment simplification, right? Yeah. And what this does is needs assignment simplification. Yeah, I think my something happened to my yeah, you know, it's uh, it's not working over here because this is being git ignored. Okay, fine. So yeah, and if I just put like okay, like 5*6, this will be false. Okay, right? But if I just put like a is equal to 6, that should be true, right? So that's oh, needs addition. Okay, yeah, fine. Needs assignment, right? Needs assignment simplification, right? So oh, I'm really sorry. Like if I just put 5*6, that should be false. And if I just put a is equal to 6, that should be true. A is equal to 6. That should be true. So this goes to another thing like needs parsing, right? So this is one of the kind of ultimate functions that determines whether you need parse. The thing should be parsed or not. Okay, so that's the thing, right? Needs parsing, right? Where is it? So here, right here needs parsing. Yeah. Right. So this thing just says true or false. Okay, right. I'll just put like needs parsing. Okay. Okay, I just need to load this. Um, right. Okay. So it's parsing, right? So, and then if I just give like e is equal to 6, yeah, right. And it'll just put true. Okay, so this is being used somewhere. Okay, over here in pass. So if it needs passing, yeah, like do the stuff. Okay, yeah, like you just simplify stuff. That's the thing. And if it doesn't need, yeah, like you do some other stuff. Okay, so yeah. So that's how this program works. Okay, so I just wanted to give how it works and all those things. Actually, Kanikpan did start as a project so that like I can teach the world Clojure via my channel Clojure Diary. But the thing is, like its development went so fast, and I just released it as a product, and the teaching was forgotten. Yeah, maybe I need to dust it up and I need to take it. But yeah, it is a very good thing. Like if you want to write something like an interpreter or something like that. Look, I don't know about interpreters or compilers or something like that. I'm an electronic student, but yeah, I've been coding for 20 years. Okay, right. So, but yeah, like I just want to do something like that, my own language or something. So I just thought, why not a calculator this time? I have done something similar before, right? Writing my own languages, and I'm even writing a language for a programming language for trading. Okay, so and where stock traders can write a simple programming language and what to say, like some bots will follow that and they will trade for them. Yeah, so that is going on. But the thing is, yeah, like this thing was started as a teaching project so that like I can teach beginner Clojure people about Clojure, right? So yeah, and I think teaching in Clojure is very important. Look, from now on, yeah, it's no more Kanipan. I'm just telling my opinion. You can skip the video or something like that because what I feel is okay, like there is a huge band gap in Clojure. So there are what to say, like yeah, like this is the sky or what to say, like uh, Clojure professionals. Okay, so professionals. Okay, so and this is there, and you do have like Clojure noobs. Okay, right, and Clojure noobs. Okay, so and the band gap is very high, right? The reason is, I think, what I experienced in Kanipan. Okay, so with closure, like once you know to do stuff, you do stuff and you just get stuck over there. You just become this closure professional stuff. Okay, and there is nobody to help this closure moves. Okay, right? So there is some kind of quantum leap in closure. You just become a noob, and maybe, yeah, you're coming from other programming languages, and closure is very different. But then you just your brain kicks in, okay, and then you just suddenly become a closure professional, and you just know everything in it because closure is so simple. But there is no ladder. There is no ladder over here, right? So that's a bane for closure, I just think. Okay, right. And even people who teach it are just what to say, like kind of, oh, why it doesn't persist. Okay, right. Uh, People who teach it, like kind of becoming professionals, and then that's it, right? So yeah. So you just need this ladder, and this is where Clojure Diary comes in, I just think. So even though I can stop teaching because I have learned Clojure enough, I just want to keep teaching, right? So that like more people will experience Clojure, and especially it's worse in my country, India, right? So everybody becomes a programmer not because they love computers, because they want money, and so they are unable to jump from this noob, okay, because the entry point is because there is a huge gap, right? So they just look at Clojure and it's so tough, and then that's it. They go to some other language, okay. So that's the thing, right? So this is where I think I come in, like teaching. But yeah, you just need some kind of different mindset to teach. Not everybody can do it, okay, right? And that's the thing, right? Yeah, maybe, yeah, one day I'll just dust Kanipan up, take each and every commit, and then do a video and all those things, and a simple calculator. Okay, so this is a simple calculator, right? And I don't know what even is there in the simple calculator. I need to somehow go and find it out, right? So right. So yeah, that's about it. Yeah, anyway, like I just thank the creators of anti-gravity and all this AI, but yeah, you just stole stuff from us and you are a proprietary company. So yeah. So that's about it in Kanipan. So like maybe like I don't know, like is there any updates or blogs or something for Kanipan? I don't know. Like maybe follow these releases. Maybe the next release might come with some kind of minor functions in them. Okay, right. So minor something like financial functions or something like that. Okay, so and then it will just explode. Look, you have functions to do this, that, trigonometry, physics, this thing, that thing, conversions, and it'll be like a Cambrian explosion, right? So that's going to happen, right? And anyway, thanks for watching. Until we meet in next, what to say, right? So, video. It's bye from me.